Salut à tous, comment allez-vous? J'espère que vous allez bien. Welcome to Flenny Home of French Learning. This video is about objective question on grammar. Grammar is very important when you are preparing for TCF exam or TEF exam because you need to master grammar for you to be able to write correctly and to speak very well. So let's test our grammar level, and at the end of the day you will know either you are good or you still have to learn more. So let's get started. Number one, you have, what is the meaning of puni? A, to go. B, to punish. C, to choose. What is your answer? The answer is B. Number two, la femme dage son enfant tous les jours. A, puni. B, puni. C, punissant. What is your answer? The answer is B, the one that ends with T, because you can replace la femme with elle, which is she. Numéro 3. What does grossir mean? A, to lose weight. B, to gain weight. C, to finish. What is your answer? On continue. What does ralentir mean? A, to slow down. B, to stop. C, to walk fast. What is your answer? The answer is A, to slow down. Numéro 6. La femme dage pour marcher. A, ralentit. B, ralentit. C, ralentissait. What is your answer? The answer is B. La femme ralentit. Numéro 7. What does réfléchir mean? A, to sleep. B, to eat. C, to think. What is your answer? Réfléchir is to think. Numéro 8. L'homme dage à sa femme. A, réfléchit. B, réfléchit. C, réfléchissait. What is your answer? The answer is A, réfléchir. Numéro 9. What does batting mean? A, to break. B, to paint. C, to build. What is your answer? The answer is C. The last one. L'homme dage la maison. A, bâti. B, bâtisse. C, bâtissait. What is your answer? The answer is A. So that's all for today. If you like the video, kindly subscribe, like, and share. And if you need a tutor to tutor you for TCF exam, you can contact me. Au revoir, à bientôt.